Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the environment, open Termux, accept storage access, then update packages so dependencies are current. Next, install Python with pkg install Python. This gives you a native interpreter. Once done, run Python version to verify. Make sure you also install a text editor like Nano or Vim for quick edits. These first actionable steps get you a working shell and interpreter so you can run scripts and install modules right away. Now you install libraries and prepare code. Use pip to add packages. Pip install requests NumPy or whatever your project needs. Termux uses pip linked to your installed Python. Then open your script with NanoScript. Py, edit, and save. You can also place files in shared storage via Termux setup storage. When ready, run Python script. Py to execute. If you want runnable files, add a shebang line and chmod plus x script. Py so you can. /script, Py for quick execution. Finally, if you need a GUI or simpler alternative, consider Pydroid or CuPython, which bundle many dependencies. For desktop-like GUI, install an Xserver app and the required SDL libraries, then use Kivy or PyQt with pip. If things go wrong, check common issues. Verify path and which Python, inspect pip target directory, and ensure file permissions. Read the traceback. Once you identify the failing import or missing library, reinstall or adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.